What's up, everybody? My name is Mike Mack, and you're here watching Mike Mack Media. Today, we're going to do a short video. It's just going to be the 5 mistakes to avoid as a new affiliate marketer. So, I started this a couple of months ago, 2 to be exact, and I made a lot of mistakes at first, and now that I realize what they are, it kind of showed me a different way and a different outlook on how to attack business and actually how to keep your confidence level up so that you actually don't give up. Because if you try to do too much, you're going to fail. I failed. The only stupid thing about me is I refuse to fail. I just keep pushing forward. Doesn't matter what it is. I find a way to figure it out. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm in the process. I learned how to start my own business with Legendary Marketer. The link is going to be in the description. Obviously, it's going to be an affiliate link, but you'll learn how to do the same exact thing that I'm doing right now for you guys. So, to help you guys out, I want to give you 5 things to avoid. 5 mistakes that I made personally, but I want you to avoid them. So, going from 5 all the way down to the biggest one, we're going to start right now. So, number 5, if you're looking to get into a business or affiliate marketing or a side hustle, anything to do with trying to create a different life for yourself, maybe it's a couple extra bucks a month, maybe it's, you're a car guy like me, and an extra $1,000 a month means you could go for that BMW instead of the Toyota, or whatever it is. I'm into a lot of things, and that's why I actually started looking into it. But then, mistake number 5, I listened to others. So this is what you want to avoid. Don't listen to others. Everybody that hasn't done this is going to say anything online is a scam. It's actually not. You could do anything online and actually become profitable, but you have to learn the right way to do it. So don't listen to other people. That's mistake number 5. Now we're going to go to mistake number 4. Get out of your own head. So, meaning you're not smarter than everybody. Everybody has their own intelligence level. Everybody has their one thing that they're great at, or a couple of things that they're good at, and some things that they absolutely suck at. I'm good at baseball, basketball, football, but I can't golf to save my life. I can't golf. No matter how hard I try, I can't golf. But I'm going to practice, and, that's a different story. But you got to get out of your own head. If you tell yourself that you can't do something, you're not going to be able to achieve it. Now, with online business, you could go a million different ways. You want to pick something. I picked affiliate marketing. I believe it's the best for beginners because you don't have to house your own product. You don't have to deal with customers. You don't have to deal with inventory. You don't have to deal with refunds. None of that. Affiliate marketing is basically you partner with a company and all you do is get traffic to that company. So again, as an example, I'm with Legendary Marketer. They teach you how to become an online marketer selling high ticket. Now, high ticket means you can make $1,000 to $5,000 for one sale. I'd rather do that than, with ClickBank and Max Zooey or those other platforms that I'm sure that you guys have heard of. But I'd rather put effort in to make one high ticket sale a month than make 10 sales for something that's low ticket that I'm only going to make $100 in commission. One sale a month could make you $1,000 to $5,000 depending on you know, what it is. You'll learn all of that inside Legendary Marketer. I love the program. I did buy thousands and thousands of dollars of other programs, but this by far is my favorite. Excuse me. So, get out of your own head. That's tip number 4. Mistake number 4. All right, mistake number 3. Now, I did this. And this is the worst part, that once you start getting into something, you start doing research. If you buy a course, you're going to start watching all the training videos. I did this. But what I didn't do was, after I learned a specific thing, I didn't take action on it. I didn't practice it. All I kept doing was just learning. And then without taking action, you're not going to learn exactly how it is. Let's take Michael Jordan, for example. You put Michael Jordan in a classroom, you could give him the metrics of where the basket is, how high the arc has to be, how far he needs to be, what power, what arm to use. Everything done in a classroom, pen and paper. He could pass all the tests. You give him a basketball, you think he's going to be able to make a three-pointer? No. He actually practiced. He learned from his coaches, and he practiced. So, that's what I mean by take action and don't learn to try to become perfect. Because if you just sit there trying to learn everything to try to become perfect, it's just not going to happen. And again, the only reason why I'm making these tips and these mistakes is because I suffered from them. And I want to help everybody and help you guys avoid them. Okay, so like I said, this is going to be a quick video. If you want to learn more or you want me to go into depth, just leave a comment below. While you're leaving a comment, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be putting out videos and stuff, so hit that notification bell so when I pump out another video, you guys will be alerted and you can get first come, first serve. Whatever the hell I'm trying to say. Anyway, see, get out of your own head. That was tip number 4. Just be yourself. That's a bonus tip. All right, so we just did number 3, so we're gonna go to number 2. Don't wing it. After you learn stuff, don't wing it. Don't just put stuff out there and then just, it's like throwing crap at the wall and hoping it sticks. Don't do that. Set a schedule. What I had to do was, I have a full-time job currently, right now, as we speak. I wake up at about 5:30 in the morning. I'm at work at 6. I work all day. I don't get home till about 5:30, maybe 6 o'clock some nights. And I set aside an hour. If I can't do an hour, if all I have is 15 minutes, I'll do 15 minutes. I'll do something every single day. So then you could break it down into different categories. On Mondays, you're going to do learning. Tuesdays, you're going to actually build a site or whatever it is. You're going to practice what you just learned on Monday. Wednesday, you're going to do something different. I do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Those are my learning days. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, depending on what's going on for the weekend. Those are the days I try to implement, and I always switch them up. But now I'm starting to get into a routine where every day after work, I come home because I do construction, so I'm filthy. Take a shower, get dressed. I'll either do a video for you guys to try to help you out, or I'll do some of the training videos inside of Legendary Marketer. Now, if you want to join Legendary Marketer, it's only going to be $7. That's where I started, $7. There's other things that you guys could purchase. That's on you, but the 15-day business challenge is by far one of the best $7 that I've ever spent. And I love pizza. And I spent like $15 on a great pizza. But all right, maybe I'll pick the pizza over the training. But you guys get what I'm saying. So definitely set a schedule and stick to it. And then if you do that, it's going to be repetition. And then what is repetition? That becomes a routine. And then you're going to get used to it. And then you start building your business up, following Legendary Marketer. And, you know, it's going to be amazing. Not only the people that you meet, but what you're going to be tested on, what you're going to be putting, you know, your best foot forward, and what you're going to see that you never thought was possible. And this is if you're a true beginner. If you've ever done online business before, or you've been researching, you know what is involved and stuff like that. It's not hard. Now, coming from a construction guy, digging holes in 5-degree weather where the ground is frozen with a shovel and a pick, that's hard work. Doing research, trying to set up a funnel, trying to, you know, whatever, trying to talk to people on Facebook, trying to get things connected with autoresponders, which we'll go into in another video. That's not hard, but it's a lot easier than digging holes in frozen ground in 5-degree weather. But let's move on. So, number 1, don't compare yourself to others. Now, when I got Legendary Marketer and I went through the 15 days, you get put into a Legendary Marketer Facebook private group that you could only get into once you purchase the $7 program, the 15-day business challenge. And what you're going to see in there is people having questions, other people helping other people. Dave Sharp and his team, they do lives every single day, 10 a.m. Eastern time. I mean, the amount of bonuses that you get with the $7 is just ridiculous. But what we're talking about is other people that maybe started at the same time as you that start getting more results than you're getting. Don't let it affect you. They're different. They don't have the same life that you have. You don't know their struggles. You don't know what they had to overcome to get to that point. Some people are just lucky. Some people, you know, it's going to click for you when it clicks for you. But you can't give up. And if it doesn't click within 2 seconds, don't give up. You're just selling yourself short. Anyway, just don't compare yourself to other people. And I did it, like I said before. Oh, that person signed up 2 days later than me. He's already at $10,000 a month. And, you know, blah, blah, blah. I suck. What am I doing wrong? Maybe that person has more time. Maybe that person already had a marketing background that it just clicks to them. I have a construction background. Anything online I've never done before. I didn't even know how to use a laptop. Now I have all this stuff set up. Ring light, camera, microphone right here, lights, laptop with a screen. I even use another laptop. If you want to check out the other video that I did the other day, I'm using a whiteboard with a touchy pen. I don't even know what to call it. But I pushed and I got here. And that's the whole point of these 5 mistakes. If you try to avoid these, or if you make them, because people make mistakes, it's inevitable. But if you do make them, you might be aware. Oh man, that was tip number 4 from Mike Mack. Which is tip number 4, get out of your own head. Sorry, I have it here, but it's dark everywhere except for right here. But anyway, I'm going to leave you guys with that. I thank you for watching this video. If you could give me a thumbs up, that'd be amazing. If you subscribe, that'd be even better. But another video that I'm going to do, I'm going to take requests from my audience. So anything affiliate marketing related, what's the next video that you guys want to see? And if you have a channel, Instagram, Facebook, whatever that you want more people to get to, next week on Monday, right now it's Wednesday, November 18th. Let me Monday, the 23rd of November, 2020. I'm going to pick a winner, and I'm gonna feature them on my channel. Link in the bio, whatever, pop something up onto the screen if I could figure that out. But I'll take all week. But just leave a comment and I'll pick a winner and I'll do a video on that exact topic. So until then, take care. Like I said, subscribe, like everything, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.